Chickies, thanks for hanging out for another pink decorate with me video. Today we are going to be decorating our bedroom, the vanity table, as well as my filming background area. And per your request, we will be filming it vlog style again. So I hope you guys are enjoying these types of videos and decorating with me. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciated if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to give this video a like. It would truly mean so much. And also hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Let me share with you the decorations that we will be working with today. If you're not familiar, this is our room, which is primarily, you guessed it, it's primarily pink. And now granted, it isn't in the best condition because we have some mess down there, but just don't mind that. But you know, this is our space that we're working with. Let me share with you the decorations from last year. Boutique house from Lauren Conrad. I really wish that she had another collection like this year because these are really cute. They're called Paper House, I think that's the name of it. So we have a tabletop pink iridescent lighted Christmas tree, which I believe I purchased from Walmart last year. It was really inexpensive, I think under $15, and it's pretty good quality. Moving over to this bin are all of the ornaments that we will be working with. So I think you guys can tell the iridescence theme I have going on. These are from the 99cents only stores. An iridescent deer, iridescent bow tree topper, which is actually a luggage tag from the bullseye spot from Target last year. Of course, we need to have a camera from Hobby Lobby. Ornament from Starbucks last year. So cute. A little gnome. A teapot, because you guys know I love my tea. And this, we are basically going to place this Christmas tree inside of it. Very cute little DIY. I'll link this teapot set down below. These snowflake ornaments are from the 99cents only stores. And I love how it does have a bit of a frosting to it. It looks very pretty once it's hung up on the pink tree. And then of course we have, this is the Chickmas teacup. It even has the Chickmas logo right there. Very cute. Kind of DIY'd that myself too, just hot glued it. Candy canes, which I've had these for years, to be honest. Probably about 10, 11 years. I think they're from Michael's. Oh, and this other one I also DIY'd a long time ago, probably about 10, 11 years ago. It's a sticker from Juicy Couture when I purchased something. And then I ended up just painting this wood pink and then attached, where did it go? Attached a brown bow to it. So I ended up making this an ornament. Hello Kitty, which I DIY'd because she was red, if I'm not mistaken. So I painted these areas pink just so that, you know, she's a pink Hello Kitty. So if you're not familiar, I do have some merch, which is the Sweet and Chic collection. It's basically coffee boba tea. This is a boba tea keychain which I turned into an ornament. I'm gonna link it down below, but it's very difficult to find boba accessories in general, or bubble tea accessories, so this is just so cute. It definitely coincides with the Sweet and Chic coffee boba tea collection. Basically all of the decorations from last year. Now the ones we're incorporating this year are some of these ornaments from Walmart. I believe these were like, I think they were like $1 something, but we're going to take off this string because we're not going to use it as an ornament. And then this is also an ornament, which is adorable because it's a gingerbread house, but I love it because it's pastel, pretty pink, and I love how it also has the mint green, so it does kind of match, I would say, with this one from Lauren Conrad in a way. I'm sure if you love Juicy, you know what this is. It's a Juicy Couture stocking. I was very surprised to see that they have one, but I kind of wish though that it had Juicy written on it, not just the crown in my opinion, but still it's very cute because it comes with a bow, it comes with the metal charm, and then The actual stocking is very soft and it is also pink velvet. I just stuffed it with some tissue paper inside. In this bin, we have the remainder of the pink snow fluff, which we DIY'd last year really easily with some RIT dye. And you just put it in a huge pot until you get the correct or the shade that you would like of pink, but it turned out beautifully. I basically just dried it out in the sun and you have beautiful pink snow fluff. Let's begin by decorating the corner area up here because that's the spot where you normally see anything that's in the background whenever I'm filming. Before we continue decorating, I just wanted to mention that all throughout the bookshelf, fairy lights that I kind of weaved back and forth on the shelves. So we're going to take the excess of this and just wrap it around the trees so it looks like they're lighted too. Now that this area is finished, we can move on to decorating the vanity table. Final touch is the iridescent bow. And here is the pink Christmas tree. I love it. Almost forgot to add the teapot. That's a very big part of this. So moving on to this area, I really wanted to hang the stocking, but I also wanted to add something up there just so that it's a little bit festive when I take any outfit pictures and stuff. So I think we're gonna add some fluff up there. Added just a little bit of snow to her because she feels like she's gonna tip over, so I don't want to add any more, but at least she has a bit of pink fluff with her. And then lastly, our Juicy Couture stocking. I was trying to figure out how to hook this up here because I don't really have a hook that would look pretty, so I'm thinking we're just going to use a Juicy Couture bracelet to kind of loop it through. Hopefully it works out. I'm also thinking of putting these Juicy Couture hairpins on here just so that, you know, it looks a little bit more glam. enjoyed decorating the vanity table as well as the filming background area. I know I didn't really purchase too many items this year. Maybe next year we'll be able to incorporate a little bit more. Fingers crossed I'll be able to find other items to add to the mix, but I hope this video inspires you to decorate your space for the holidays. Please let me know what you think of the little additions we added to the decorations this year. I just want to wish all of you a very fun and safe happy holidays. I hope you guys have a great one with your loved ones. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and just enjoyed hanging out for a bit, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.